Cooking together. Narrator. Hello and a very warm welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. Do you enjoy the experience of creating meals with family or friends? Is cooking together a way for you to connect, share, and learn? Well, today we're going to explore the delightful topic of cooking together. From sharing recipes and dividing tasks to enjoying the delicious results, cooking together can be a rewarding and enriching experience. Today we'll listen to an engaging and flavorful conversation between two individuals, Liam and Sophia, as they discuss their experiences and the joys of cooking together. By listening to their discussion, you'll not only enhance your English comprehension but also gain insights into the social and practical aspects of collaborative cooking and learn how to talk about it in English. And remember to stay with us until the end of their conversation, where we'll have a practice session designed to help you actively engage with the language and concepts they explore. So, put on your aprons in your mind, listen attentively, and let's dive into the wonderful world of cooking together. Liam, hi Sophia. It's great to catch you. I was just reminiscing about that time we all cooked that huge Italian feast together. It was so much fun even with all the chaos. Sophia, hi Liam. It's lovely to chat with you too. Oh yes, that Italian night. It was definitely a memorable experience. So many hands chopping vegetables, stirring sauces. It was a beautiful kind of chaos. Liam, exactly. And the food turned out amazing, which was the best part. What do you think makes cooking together such a special activity? Sophia, for me it's the sense of collaboration and teamwork. Everyone contributes their own skills and energy, and you create something delicious together. It's a very satisfying feeling. Liam, I agree. There's a real sense of accomplishment when you all sit down to enjoy a meal that you've prepared together. It feels more meaningful than just ordering takeout. Sophia, absolutely. And it's also a great way to learn from each other. I've picked up so many cooking tips and tricks just by watching other people in the kitchen. Me. I never knew the secret to perfectly caramelized onions until I cooked with your aunt. She's a wizard in the kitchen. Sophia laughs. She definitely has her ways. And cooking together can also be a fantastic way to bond with people. It's a shared activity that allows for conversation and connection in a relaxed setting. Liam, that's so true. Some of the best conversations I've had have been while chopping vegetables or waiting for something to simmer on the stove. It's a less formal way of interacting. Sophia, exactly. There's something about the shared task that makes it easier to open up and connect. Plus, it can be a lot more fun than cooking alone, especially for a big meal. Liam, definitely. Trying to prepare a complicated dish by yourself can feel overwhelming. But when you have a team, it breaks down the workload and makes it much more manageable. Sophia. And it's also a great way to introduce people to new cuisines and recipes. Remember when we tried making that Vietnamese pho together? I had never made it before, but with everyone pitching in, it wasn't as intimidating. Liam, that was such a delicious adventure. And it's true, having others involved makes you more willing to try new things. If it doesn't turn out perfectly, at least you're all in it together. Sophia laughs. Exactly. The occasional kitchen mishaps just become part of the fun and the story. That time we accidentally added too much chili to the salsa. Liam, oh gosh, that salsa. We were all sweating. But we laughed about it for days. Those little accidents often become the most memorable parts. Sophia, absolutely. And cooking together isn't just about the food. It's about the shared experience and the memories you create. Liam, what about the planning aspect? Do you find that cooking together makes the planning easier too? Sophia, it can, especially if everyone is willing to contribute ideas and help with the grocery shopping. Dividing the tasks beforehand can save a lot of time and stress on the day of cooking. Liam, that's a good point. When we cooked the Italian meal, having different people in charge of the appetizer, main course, and dessert made the whole process much smoother. Sophia, exactly. It's like a culinary symphony with everyone playing their part. And it also allows people to showcase their strengths in the kitchen. Someone might be a whiz at baking while someone else is a master of sauces. Liam, that's so true. I always volunteer for chopping vegetables because I find it quite therapeutic, while you're the queen of presentation, making everything look so beautiful. Sophia, smiling, it's nice to have those defined roles, but it's also fun to step outside your comfort zone and try new things with the support of others. Liam, definitely. I've learned so much about different cooking techniques just by watching you and others. It's like a hands-on cooking class. Sophia, and it's a great way to pass down family recipes and traditions. Cooking with my grandmother was how I learned to make her famous empanadas. Liam, that's so special. Those kinds of culinary legacies are so important. It's like you're keeping a piece of your family history alive. Sophia, exactly. And it creates a connection to the past while also making new memories in the present. What about cooking together with people who have different cultural backgrounds? Have you had any experiences with that? Liam, yes, I have. When I studied abroad, I lived with roommates from all over the world, and cooking together was a fantastic way to learn about their cultures through food. We'd share recipes from our home countries, and it was such a delicious cultural exchange. Sophia, oh, that sounds amazing. It's like getting a taste of different parts of the world right in your kitchen. Liam, it really was. And it also highlighted the similarities in how people gather and connect over food, even with different ingredients and cooking styles. Sophia, that's a beautiful thought. Food truly is a universal language. What about the cleanup? That's often the least enjoyable part of cooking. Liam laughs. That's where the teamwork aspect comes in handy again. Dividing the cleanup tasks makes it much less daunting. Someone washes, someone dries, someone puts things away. It's all part of the collaborative effort. Sophia, absolutely. And it's much more enjoyable to clean up with company than to face a mountain of dishes alone. Liam, so it seems like cooking together offers so many benefits, from learning new skills and bonding with others to sharing cultures and making memories. Sophia, definitely. It's an activity that nourishes both the body and the soul. And it doesn't have to be a complicated gourmet meal. Even making something simple like pancakes or pasta together can be a fun and connecting experience. Liam, that's so true. It's more about the process and the shared time than the complexity of the dish. Sophia, exactly. And it's a great way to involve children in the kitchen too, teaching them basic cooking skills and creating positive associations with food and family time. Liam, oh, I love cooking with my niece and nephew. They get so excited about measuring ingredients and stirring things, even if it ends up a bit messy. Sophia laughs. The mess is part of the fun. And it's wonderful to see their sense of pride when they've helped create something delicious. Liam, so what's a dish that you particularly enjoy cooking together with others? Sophia, I love making homemade pizza together. Everyone can choose their own toppings, and it's a very hands-on and interactive process. Plus, who doesn't love pizza? Liam, homemade pizza nights are the best. For me, I really enjoy making big batches of soup or stew together, especially in the colder months. It's comforting, and there's something very communal about sharing a warm bowl of soup that everyone helped to create. Sophia, those both sound wonderful. It's clear that cooking together is something we both value a lot. Liam, absolutely. It's more than just preparing food. It's about creating connections and memories. Sophia, well said, Liam. It's been lovely talking about all the joys of cooking together. It makes me want to plan another collaborative cooking session soon. Liam, me too, Sophia. Let's get something on the calendar. Maybe we can finally try making those complicated French pastries we were talking about. Sophia, smiling. I'm in. Bring on the flour and the fun. Narrator. That was a truly delightful and insightful conversation between Liam and Sophia. exploring the many joys and benefits of cooking together. They highlighted the collaborative spirit, the opportunities for learning and bonding, the sharing of cultures, and the creation of lasting memories that come from preparing food with others. Now, let's move on to our practice session to help you actively engage with the language and concepts they explored. Practice section. Part 1. Vocabulary of cooking together. Let's review some key vocabulary and phrases related to cooking together that Liam and Sophia used. Reminiscing about, thinking about pleasant past events. Oh, think about. What's a time you've reminisced about cooking with others? A memorable experience. An experience that is easy to remember because it was special or significant. Oh, can you describe a memorable experience you've had cooking with someone? Collaboration. The action of working with someone to produce or create something. Oh, why is collaboration important when cooking together? Teamwork. The cooperative effort by members of a group to achieve a common goal. Oh, how does cooking together demonstrate teamwork? Accomplishment. Something that has been achieved successfully. Oh, what sense of accomplishment can you feel after cooking a meal together? Pick up tips and tricks. To learn useful pieces of advice or skills. Oh, have you ever picked up tips and tricks by cooking with someone more experienced? A bond with people. To develop a close relationship with someone. Oh, how can cooking together help you bond with people? A relaxed setting. A comfortable and unhurried environment. Oh, why can the kitchen be a relaxed setting for conversation when cooking together? Shared task. An activity that is done together with others. Oh, how does a shared task like cooking facilitate connection? Break down the workload. To divide a large amount of work into smaller, more manageable parts. Oh, how does having a team break down the workload when cooking a big meal? Pitching in, helping with a task. Oh, when you cook together, how does everyone pitch in? Intimidating. Frightening or difficult to deal with. Oh, how can cooking with others make a complex dish less intimidating? Kitchen mishaps. Small accidents or mistakes that happen while cooking. Oh, can you recall any funny kitchen mishaps from cooking with others? A part of the fun, an enjoyable aspect of an activity, even if it involves some challenges. Oh, why can even mistakes become part of the fun when cooking together? A culinary symphony. A metaphorical description of cooking where everyone plays a different but coordinated role. Oh, how is cooking together like a culinary symphony? Whiz at baking. Someone who is very skilled at baking. Oh, is there someone you know who is a whiz at baking? A master of sauces. Someone who is very skilled at making sauces. Oh, and a cooking team who might be the master of sauces? Or defined roles. Specific tasks or responsibilities that are assigned to different people. Oh, do you usually have defined roles when you cook with others? Step outside your comfort zone. To try something new or challenging that you are not used to. Oh, how can cooking with others encourage you to step outside your comfort zone in the kitchen? A hands-on cooking class. Learning to cook by actually doing it with guidance from others. Oh, how can cooking with experienced people feel like a hands-on cooking class? A passed-down family recipes. To teach younger generations how to make traditional family dishes. Oh, has anyone in your family passed down recipes to you? Culinary legacies. Traditional dishes and cooking methods that are passed down through families. Oh, why are culinary legacies important? Cultural exchange. The sharing of different cultural ideas and practices. Oh, how can cooking together with people from different backgrounds lead to a cultural exchange? A universal language. Something that is understood or appreciated by people all over the world, regardless of their native language or culture. Oh, why is food often referred to as a universal language? Daunting. Seeming difficult to deal with, intimidating. Oh, how does teamwork make cleanup less daunting? It nourishes the soul. provides emotional or spiritual fulfillment. Oh, in what way does cooking together nourish the soul? A gourmet meal. A meal of high quality, often expensive and skillfully prepared. Oh, does cooking together always have to involve a gourmet meal? A communal, shared by a group of people. Oh, why can sharing a meal that was cooked together feel communal? Interactive process. An activity that involves active participation and communication between people. Oh, why is making homemade pizza together often an interactive process? Big batches. Large quantities of something made at one time. Oh, what kind of food is often cooked in big batches to share? A collaborative effort. A task that is done together by a group of people working towards a common goal. Oh, how is the entire process of cooking together a collaborative effort? Part 2. Reflecting on your experiences cooking together. Think about your own experiences with cooking with family, friends, or others. Answer the following questions. 1. What are some of your earliest memories of cooking with someone? Who was it and what did you make? 2. Do you have any regular traditions of cooking together with specific people? What do you usually prepare? 3. What is your favorite dish to cook with others? What makes it enjoyable to prepare together? 4. Have you ever learned a significant cooking skill or recipe from someone you cooked with? What was it? 5. Can you recall a funny or memorable incident that happened while you were cooking with someone? 6. Do you prefer cooking alone or with others? What are the advantages and disadvantages of each for you? 7. Have you ever cooked with someone from a different cultural background? What did you learn from that experience? 8. In your opinion, what are the key ingredients for a successful and enjoyable cooking together experience? 9. What is one dish you would love to learn how to cook with someone who is skilled at making it? Part 3. Practicing cooking-related conversations. Imagine you are talking to a friend in English about cooking together. Practice expressing the following ideas in your own words. 1. Suggest cooking a meal together sometime soon. 2. Propose a specific type of cuisine or dish to make. 3. Suggest dividing the tasks of shopping and preparation. 4. Express your enthusiasm for learning new cooking techniques from them. 5. Share a positive memory of a time you cooked together in the past. 6. Talk about the benefits of cooking together compared to cooking alone. Practice saying these sentences and ideas out loud. Pay attention to your tone and how you convey your enthusiasm. Part 4. Planning a collaborative meal. Imagine you are planning to cook a meal together with a friend who is also learning English. Discuss and decide on the following. What kind of dish you will prepare. Who will be responsible for buying which ingredients. How you will divide the cooking tasks, e.g., chopping, stirring, seasoning. What time you will start cooking. What you are most looking forward to about cooking and eating together. Practice this conversation with a language partner if possible, or imagine the dialogue and say your part aloud. Narrator. Cooking together is a beautiful blend of practicality and pleasure, offering opportunities for learning, connection, and the creation of delicious memories. As Liam and Sophia so aptly described, the shared experience of preparing food can nourish not only our bodies but also our relationships. We encourage you to seek out opportunities to cook with others, whether it's family, friends, or fellow learners. Embrace the collaboration, savor the flavors, and enjoy the enriching experience of creating something together. Thank you for joining the English Learning Podcast today. We hope this episode has inspired you to gather your ingredients and your favorite people for a collaborative culinary adventure. We'll be back soon with more engaging conversations to support your English learning journey. Until then, happy cooking.